Good day, vegan!
Good day mga kabeshi!
Yan. Higher yung energy, mother. Go. Wow, yan.
Yes,
First clue, demure. Demure, yan.
So for attacking for this day, for demure lang.
So, yan.
Papaka-demure tayo for this episode.
Ganun
Yes,
din
so.
tayo. Parang demure pa rin.
So, Jamie, ano yung hint natin for this episode?
So, yan.
Guess natin.
So, first hint natin dapat, demure din. The second hint, balitaan ko, nasa kanila yung hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa.
Hindi lang dalawa. Tatlo ro. Pero hindi
Sino?
ka sure.
Malay mo, 5. Ikaw, anong
Balita ko, badminton daw yung gusto ko isa.
Anong isa?
Isa jacks to.
Joke!
Joke lang. Yung isa gusto niya magpapasanta sa pagkain.
Ay, so hint.
Book lover.
Yes. Laws of nature. Ganun. So parang medyo marami na yung mga naging clues natin. Pero yung huli at pinakamalaking clue na iiwanan natin para mapag-isipan ng ating mga kabeshis is that sila yung embodiment ng vegan city. Kumbaga sabi nga niya, vegan city in the flesh. So corona, badminton, jackstone, books, demure, and vegan. Alam na namin mga kabeshi, knows na yan. Pero, titignan natin mamaya kung tama nga ba ang mga hinala nyo kung sino ang ating mga special guest sa episode na ito. Kaya sit back, relax, dahil makakasama nyo pa ako si Jimin, Kathleen,
And si Mother Che.
dito lang sa Rise Up Veganyo! And welcome back mga kabeshi! So yan, ngayon kasama na natin ang ating mga special guests at sure na mapupuno na naman ng kagandahan at ng talento ang episode na ito. Pero bago muna natin sila kilalanan, nakikita nyo naman ngayon sa tabi ko, kasama na ulit natin yung dati guest lang. Ngayon magiging co-host muna natin. So pakilala ka muna bago yung special guest natin.
Hi mga kabeshi, ako nga pala si Kathleen Amas. Ako yung in-interview nila last episode sa project namin.
Yan. So, yan mga kabeshi, si Kathleen. Kabeshi natin for today. Ngayon, kilalanin naman natin ang ating mga special guest. Kitang-kita naman na napakaganda, napakagwapo at napaka-slay. Yan. So, sinong mauuna sa kanila?
Good day mga kabeshi, I am Jenny Ann Arganyoza Ramos and I am 21 years old.
Greetings mga kabeshi, I am Geshem Rin Silvas, 19 years old.
Greetings everyone mga kabeshi. I'm Chester. Ay, kala ko hindi.
Representing anong cluster?
Cluster of all. So, ayan, Jesem and Jenny. So, you're from?
I'm actually from Abra po, but
Yeah.
my mother's roots is here from Vegan, Pagparchan po.
Oh, Pagparchan. So, ikaw naman, Miss?
I'm currently living at my dorm at Tamag, Vegan City.
Okay, you're from Tamang, but you're
From Abra din.
Ay, wow.
Taga-Abra. Matuwa. Pupunta ko minsan dyan sa Abra. Shoutout sa akin mga kaibigan sa taga-Abra.
Abra Miki.
Oo.
Hindi Abra, yes.
Shoutout sa inyo. So, Sophia. Ay, Sophia.
Sophia.
Sino Sophia? So, naman ay, Kat,
Totoo kaya.
So, may we know po who is your proud parents and what way naman nila ipinakita yung support nila sa inyo.
So my mother is Nolminia Arganyoza Ramos and my father is Eugene Castañeda Ramos. To be honest, at first hindi nila alam, nasasali ako sa pageant ng Miss Vegan. Actually, ganun din nung Miss UNT.
Miss UNT.
Oo. Pero when they knew, they were supportive naman and they said na just do my best and kapag may mga doubts ka sa sarili mo, pagpatuloy mo lang kasi maraming naniniwala sa iyo.
Support system
True.
talaga ang
So,
family.
yung mga kabeshi, may naririnig tayong lumilipad.
Sino, mother?
Mamaya na rin. Lumilipad na hindi natin nakikita. So, si Jesha.
So my parents po, hindi po nila nalaman na nasali ako. They only realized or nakita na lang nila na yung posters sa social medias na, ay, nandun na pala siya.
Ay, wow.
Sa kanila ako tinanong, sa mga likaman din?
Surprise.
So, this is not your first time?
Yes.
This is your?
Probably my third or fourth this kind of level na pageant.
Hindi ko maano. Basta nang ganda ko split. Oh yeah. So,
bakbakan ba ng English ang episode
Oo.
na ito ngayon?
So ano naman, do you have siblings? Or ano?
Only child po ako.
Ayun na yun.
Yan, ito pala kasi ang ating speaker, mga kabeshi. Panggising. Yan. Sound effect, panggising natin.
Shout out sa anong cameraman natin, hindi namamatay ng ng sounds. Kon, shout out sa'yo.
Hi, Sir Con. Yan.
Good ba?
So, only child ang ating Miss Pia.
Ha?
Only child siya, mother.
Si ano naman, si Mr. Viga naman.
Actually, I have 3 siblings, me being the youngest.
Bunso. So, only child and bunso. How does it feel naman po, being an only child?
Siyempre, nabibigay lahat ng mga love and support, not only financially, pero parang sinasabi kasi nila na gusto mo, parang ang ganda kapag only child kasi nabibigay lahat sa'yo. Pero ang lonely, yun naman yung parang kang lonely lang. Kaya marami akong friends na nagsusupport sa akin, kaya sila lang yung siblings ko.
Yeah.
Pares
So,
pala tayo,
kumbaga,
only child.
only child.
Pero dalawa yung katawan ko. So ikaw naman, ayun nga, tatlo pala yung
Tatlo,
ito.
mother, he is the
Oo.
youngest.
He is the youngest, pero tingnan mo, 19 years old, ang tangkad. Sana all binibigyan ng height. Jimmy,
We're
di ba?
actually the same. I'm the youngest.
Oh, youngest.
Yeah.
So, ano naman
5.9
feeling
ka.
ng...
Anong height mo? 5'6"?
Anong feeling ng youngest? Same ba with only child na nabibigay lahat ng love and support? Usually kasi sinasabi nila yun,
Yes,
di ba?
oo.
Na kapag youngest, pinapaboran.
In reality, maybe yes. In somewhat cases, yes po. Pero me, kasi yung kaming lahat na magkakapatid are boys. So, growing up, maraming pisikalan. So, ganun. So, it's very common naman, I think. And it's very important for me to mature from that. Yeah. I have to accept na, ay, ganito pala yung environment. I have this. Tapos yung attention ng mother tsaka father ko, maybe nakatuon mostly at the time sa akin.
Oh, kasi ikaw yung youngest.
Yes.
You should.
And I watch my siblings one by one umalis sa bahay kasi they have to go different places to study.
Okay. Tama naman yun.
And then ngayon ako naman na. And
Lumayo.
yeah.
Ang lumayo.
So ano naman yung feeling na yung mga kapatid mong umaalis isa-isa, then ikaw yung umalis, anong feeling na nakikita mo maiiwan yung parents mo na sila lang?
Sometimes something na realize ko po na parang nare-left out yung parents natin most of the time. Kasi growing up, parang sa atin lang yung attention. Not realizing na tumatanda din yung mga parents natin. Na hindi sila magiging ganun palagi.
Oh.
They will age until hindi nila kaya. I came to that realization coming here sa Viga. So, I think we should cherish our times with our parents. That's very
True.
important.
Hirap naman ito, mag-English pa, gaganon tayo sa English. Parang hindi na nakakatawa. Mag-English, tuksahan.
But mother,
Oo.
true naman yun. Like,
Yes, tama.
sometimes as children or
Yes, oo.
as daughters and sons, we always think na tayo lang yung tatanda tayo sa point that we are just children, tapos yun na nga, adolescents, and then mag-learn
Yes,
tayo
oo.
sa college without actually realizing na hindi lang naman tayo yung na-edad. And then we look back, naisip natin, ay, kasababa-bati tayo, parents tayo. So like, it's okay to check on them, kamustahan, family sessions, kahit pa minsan-minsan lang, para hindi naman tayo maglo-low back realizing na like nag-center lang around kanya.
Maganda yung family session like bakbakan.
Hindi ba, growing up,
Debate.
lahat sila mother.
Parang gusto kayo sa family debate ng gano'n, no? Yes,
Oo.
oh.
Sa family namin, usong-uso yung gano'n. Especially
Debate?
with mother debates, politics, lahat, gano'n.
Parang hindi na
Magkakaiba kasi
yung
kami,
politics.
kapag magkakaiba talaga kayo ng
Yes, oo.
views, gano'n nangyayari. Ikaw, Kathleen, as
Akala ko
the
Sophia.
youngest.
Ay, sino si Sophia? Shoutout sa'yo, Sophia, kung sino ko man.
Baka naman si
matagal.
Sophia, Smith yan, mother.
Hindi ko alam
Si
ba si
Bianca.
Sophia. How you siguro go?
Kayo ba, nagkaano din kayo? Wrestling ba kayo ng mga kapatid?
Ay, lagi.
Gusto ko mga wrestling nila. Oh.
Binabalance mo ba
Lagi
yung
siya.
family mo?
Actually,
Sa biceps
hindi mo
mo.
siya.
Ginawa ka pang ano.
Pero kahit na ganun ka, Beshi, still remember na at the end of the day, kahit sino pa yung mga ini-stand nila sa politics, they're still family.
And it's not really just about family, knowing that we are diverse, iba-iba tayong tao. Syempre is alalahanin din natin na at the end of the day nga, family is family. Huwag din natin gawin yun as barrier para hindi tayo magkaintindihan. Gamitin natin sige debate to learn from one another. So, ganun yung maging progress natin. Di ba, Kathleen?
True.
Yan. Ano yung share mo kanina, being youngest?
Actually, ano siya eh, it's not parang relating na ako sa kanya kay kuya kapag nakikita ko umaalis yung siblings ko or my own family na sila. So, parang syempre, we're not the priority na masyado. So, parang it's kinda sad. Kasi as a girl na, only girl din kasi
only
ako.
girl?
Yes. So, only girl din ako looking to my prince, Charmings. Ay, ang kapal. Kapal yung mga face nila. Ayun, yung mga, mga
Ganun talaga.
Charmings ko,
You
yeah.
compliment your siblings and then you bully them agad.
Yun, pag makita yung mga Prince Charming ko, they're already a king on their own
Ay,
palace.
wow.
Kung anong chumit, kaya pa ba? So ayun,
Kaya si Mother Shay.
ayun na nga, we know that you are in both college na diba? Ano mga courses nyo?
Ako po, from nursing po ako, 4th year, graduating.
Graduating,
Yes.
yes. Padayo.
Jen. Si ano naman si Jesha?
Opo, I'm currently pursuing a bachelor degree sa physical education.
Physical
Second year.
Eduk. Yeah. So, may we ask, why nursing and why eduk? So, sinong mauuna sa inyong dalawa?
PE in education because my mother is a doctor in education and I have been inspired by her since my childhood. Parang nakita ko yung how she works sa school, na ma-manage yung mga students niya. Parang na-inspire ako from that. And then I look deep in myself. Ano yung mga strengths ko? Oy, PE, sporty ako. I like anatomy. Okay, go. I went to PE. That's my
Comfort zone na talaga, tsaka expertise. How about si Miss Mika natin?
Actually, at first, hindi nursing talaga yung first choice ko. It was actually tourism.
Tourism.
Yes, pero nung na-diagnose kasi yung father ko with DM or diabetes, parang na-curious ako kung paano nagka-diabetes sa isang tao, how to like manage it and cure it. Tapos sakto din na nasa medical field ang some of my aunts and my cousins. Kaya yun, nursing na yung pinagpatuloy ko sa UNP.
Ang ganda ng backstory mo sa kanya, di ba? To learn dun sa, not only sa disease ng father niya, but to actually help him din. Yun yung ginawa niyo. Wait. Ikaw, as someone na malapit ng mag-enter ng college, ano bang ipupursue mo?
Actually, I'm planning to go on Bachelor of Arts Psychology.
Psychology.
Yes. Mental health matters.
Ayun, mental health matters. So, si Miss Eliza, if I'm not mistaken, ang nag-take ng psychology, Miss
Yes,
Tourism. Vegan tourism. Yan. Mother, tahimik natin ngayon.
Nag-i-Englishan kayo kasi. So, tahimik lang tayo. So,
louder daw! Sabi nung whiteboard ni Sir Eto.
ay louder ba? Kailangan mo na maingay. So, Mr. Jessam, di ba you said kanina na this is not your first time, this is your
Yes.
fourth time? Fourth time. Anong naisipan mo? Bakit ka nag-join? Anong rason?
Ba't parang galing?
Ano rason? Bakit? Bakit ka nag-join?
Why?
Why? Oo, kaya dapat fierce ka. Why?
I think this is the opportunity for me to use a platform for my cause. So last year po, I intended to join Mr. Vegan din. However, I didn't meet the qualification since wala pa akong 6 months noon and I'm not still bonified. So ngayon, okay na and I tried to and yun, napagpag-asakan ba?
Yan.
Kasi we never know. I think that opportunity may be what opens different possibilities in my life. So I try to engage myself in different ways.
Sabi nga nila, we don't just take opportunities, we make our own opportunities. So, si Miss Vegan naman.
Miss Vegan is, let's just say, my second pageant. Kasi
Yes.
yung, let's say, first pageant ko is parang screening lang yun sa college namin. But I
Miss
consider,
Nightingale.
yes po, but I consider Miss UNP as my very first pageant po. So second, sumali ako sa Miss Vegan. To be honest, kasi like my training ground for Mr. and Miss Pasok Squaa that happened last February 25, 27 I think. Oo, yun. Pero I didn't expect naman na mananalo ko sa Miss Vegan and have a platform then to look into causes na especially yung mga kabataan ngayon, kailangan natin silang i-eager na join sa atin sa mga different issues, not only with politics but also our future.
So, may we ask, ano yung naging mga advocacy niyo during the pageant?
Since nursing student po ako, my advocacy was sustainable practices for health kasi we can relate it to the public health. Of course, they say health is our wealth. So, kailangan din natin i-look out not only our health but also for environment.
Yan, so...
My advocacy going into this pageant was sustaining tourism and culture here sa Vigan through culture and arts. So, fine arts, performing arts,
Arts. Fine arts.
Natatahimik si Mother
yes,
Jen. Ikaw ba, Mother?
Yes.
What is your advocacy? Kasi alam
Advocacy
natin
wala.
may advocacy ka.
Wala palagi daw na yung advocacy ko dito tinatanong mo eh.
Hindi, sige.
Pag sinagot ko yun, bibigyan mo ba ako ng ano?
Si Sir Concan may bibigay daw sa'yo.
Ay naku, Sir Concon, isang ano yan, isang lapad. Lapad na tinapay, o di ba? Siya. Yung ano natin, yung cameraman natin yun, inspired kasi nag-comeback sila. Di ba? So ano na lang, bumalik tayo sa ating mga katanungan. So, kwentuhan nyo naman kami about your experiences in the competition.
Kaya ko pa.
Kami dapat yung sumagot. Yes,
Nung parang first practice ata namin nun is dalawa lang kilala ko. Si Mr. Vegan Culture and Mr. Tourism.
Tatlong nursing
Opo,
kasi.
tatlong nursing din po kasi.
Para yung tatlong nursing, sino
Lahat sila nanalo.
Opo.
Sino yung nagsabi? Ito yung friend ko, si Nate ba yun?
Opo, si
Si
Nate.
Kuya Nate and si Kuya Arnett.
Yes. Sila po yung parang kausap ko lang noon, tatlo lang kami sa gilid kasi wala po akong kilala sa kanila. Kilala ko si Geshem noon kasi nung Mr. and Miss UNP, parang nagka-acquaintance kami noon. Pero yun lang, parang wala po akong mga friends or kilala during our practices po that time.
So, may I ask yung through the competition, so anong feeling na sumasabak ka sa entablado? Ano yung mga experience, ano yung mga oh my God, lupa kainin mo ko, parang gano'n mo.
Marami pong moments na gano'n.
moments na
Opo. Kasi, syempre, ang raming tao.
Yes,
Tapos, syempre, you need
naman.
to present yourself in a demure way as a girl din. Tapos, nung high school po kasi ako, I am into public speaking or spontaneous extemporary speech. Pero that was, I think, my edge po na sumali sa mga pageants. Kaya medyo okay pa yung mga Q&As ko, ganun. Kaya I am not very, but I am confident to talk to a lot of people in a big stage.
Speaking of demure, talagang demure. So, pakita mo naman kami ng demure. Yung demure na gutom. Demure na malungkot.
Maluha!
Yung demure na sumusubo. Parang gusto niyang gano'n. So,
Demure but
ikaw,
still...
Jermaine, paano yung... Si Jermaine,
Ikaw,
paano yung
Mother!
demure? Ikaw muna.
Hindi,
Jermaine, parang-
ikaw.
Si si Caitlyn.
Ayan, no, yan.
Caitlyn. Paano maging demure?
Na nagre-research.
Hindi, pahirapan naman natin. Paano yung yung demure na nasa CR? Diba?
Ganun?
Iyak na siya. May pumutok. Pumutok.
May laman na eh.
May laman na yung bro. Hindi ko nagulat ka. So about naman si Jason. About yung experience mo na did.
Coming up to this pageant po, I was a bit of lonely. Galing
Saan tinawag mo kaming tatlo? Parang malawli ka pala eh.
During that po, same as Ate Jen, wala din ako ganong kakilala and stuff. And sa mga practices, sa studio, and sa akin lang sa Q&A, sa pasarela, I did it on my own. And then, saka lang ako nakipag-close sa kanila during the pageant na, which is very good kasi we have to focus on ourselves during that time. Still, yet, building the connection. And to these days, we're still sustaining that friendship.
Naiyak ako.
Bakit? Ay, why? Ganun.
Puros English eh. Oo.
If you join pageants, you have to relinquish every fear na meron sa
Pero pag
katawan.
ako mag-join ng pageant, tatagalogin ko kayo.
Pwede, mother.
Tatagalogin ko kayo sa gay linggo para maunawa.
Paano? Sige.
Sabi ko,
Bibigyan ka ba namin ng question?
wag na, patay na. Mag-iisip pa tayo ng dadaan.
Sige, go.
tayo mag-iisip.
Introduce yourself. Tagalog, tas gay linggo.
Oh, di ba? My name is Kipay. Ay, yung Kipanshin namin ng gano'n ng enemy shop. Gano'n. Wala nga. Ano yun? The views and the opinion dun na reflects. May natin mga kabesh na yun. Ano lang yun? Katuwaan lang. Bumalik na tayo dito, Jim. Sa akin yun. So,
Yes,
ikaw
si
naman,
Kathleen.
Caitlyn.
Oo.
Magtanong ka nga din,
Nung sa
Caitlyn.
journey nitong Mr. and Miss Vegan 2025, may naging close friends ka ba sa mga nakasama?
Naulit, babe.
Oo, tama. Ako, naging close friends mo ko ng pageant. O, di ba?
Kinakabahan kasi siya. Tapos yan tuloy. Number 8 na tayo. Ay, wait. Basahin mo ng parang binabasahan mo sila ng question sa isang pageant. Go.
Okay. Alam po namin sobrang busy kayo sa studies and your career. How do you handle pressure or stressful situations?
Anak, baba mo yung tablet. Tablet mo, ano yun? Okay. Hindi lang tayo. Ang mga kabeshi, tingnan mo, wala nag-iisip.
O, di ba mga kabeshi?
Pati si Miss Vegan na natatawan sa mga pinagsasabi. Go, Miss Vegan, laban!
Since as a nursing student po, na-expose po kami sa different hospitals. Sa Gabriela, sa Metro Vegan, sa Northside.
Graduation.
Oy, actually po pwede rin po, pero hindi po kami pinapayagan sa mga parang radiation kasi students pa lang po. Well, let's just say na lang po na parang dinadedma ko na lang yung mga, especially sa hospital, di natin maiiwasan yung mga mapapagalitan sa mga instructors natin. Kasi syempre, life ng patient yun.
Yes.
Pero, since sanay naman na po ako and numb na ako sa mga nila, parang keep it going na lang. Moving forward na lang as long as wala akong matatapakang tao, wala akong masasaktang pasyente or any of that po.
Ilang gauge ba kailangan para masaktan sila?
Ay, kahit yung konting gauge mo, masakit na po yun.
Oo.
Opo.
Kasi yung tambutso kasi ginaan. Sinasalaksak ko pag gano'n. Di ba? Ito na. Di ba?
Naging so
Isip ko yung wala akong masabi yung demure.
So ako naman po, balancing so mahilig din po ako mag-model, photoshoots, so I have to balance my studies and my modeling career. So yeah, you have to understand that your parents want you to focus on your studies. And I think what comes into play if you're trying to incorporate modeling and pageantry as well as study is time management. If you handle your time properly, I think you can do a lot in a day, in a week, a month, or in your 4 years studying here in Vegan.
Even just in 24 hours, if you have planned your day and you are able to just do and continue it without needing to feel as if you are just doing things kasi gusto mong maging productive, magagawa mo siya, actually. Yun yung maganda dun sa part ng thought niya. You have to be productive, you have to be consistent. Kung sa ganun, mababalance mo siya. Totoo din kasi yung time management dito. Lay out your own time. Ikaw ba? Ma-manage mo pa ba?
Medyo.
Yan, grade 12 pa lang yun, mga kabeshi.
Paano yung demure?
Paano yung demure na ano?
So, episode na ito,
Paano yung paano yung demure na parang minamanage mo kunyari yung oras? Like, nagawa ka ng, let's say, nagle-layout ka ng plan mo for the day sa tablet mo. Tablet mo daw yun eh. Demure,
Ay, siya lang yung tablet niya hanggang dito sa iba talaga.
Parang yun!
Parang ang gaganon ko.
Hindi ka tinignan yung oras sa tablet doon na sa relo.
Gulat ako. Siya, So, Caitlyn?
Kailan?
So, anong feeling na nasa inyo ngayon yung corona?
Wala sa kanya. Nandun. Ano tumingin talaga siya? Ayan, nasa kanila yung corona.
Since sabi ko po kanina na unexpected na nanalo po kami, it still feels surreal po. Kasi vegan to isa sa mga pinaka-known na places here sa
Seven
Philippines.
Wonders.
Opo, Seven Wonders.
7 wonders of
Yes.
Mall of Asia. Shoutout sa inyo, Mall of Asia. Baka naman. Don't tabas.
And it's a great opportunity rin po, not only to promote my advocacies or promote yung mga wellness for my fellow Veganos, but also show to people that we, as part of the young generation of Vegan City, we can promote something for our future. We can be included sa mga, especially sa government natin, we can include ourselves para naman po sa future natin lahat.
Every field, meron tayo dapat.
So, Philips, Storm Power. Yes, ganun. So, ikaw naman.
Still amazed.
Pag nalipat kayo, Mr. Vegan.
Tabi tayo.
Oh, ikaw.
Mr.
Sige. Ikaw naman.
Nakakaus yung tit.
I'm still amazed for the fact na before my name is called Mr. Vegan is called. So, parang sinisingin ko pa din sa sarili ko na I'm that little kid noon na ay, kasli ka lang, ganito ka lang. Diba? And tas ngayon, I'm this kind of guy na in the vegan. I'm not even supposed to be here. Pero, yeah, diba? So, the blessings that I received through this pageant is so immense. I'm blessed. Blessed to be here.
Hindi kita kaya demurness ko.
Naalala ko yung interview namin way back then kay Mr. Ernest. Sabi niya while waiting for the results daw, yung sa kanya is culture and tradition. He was looking at dun sa manok, sa taas ng sa taas ng tower ata, mother.
Tower.
Ganon. Tapos nung tinawag na daw siya, lahat na daw, uy, nangaba ka, ginaganon daw nila siya. So sa inyo naman, was there like a gulat factor? Like, ako ba?
Sino din yung tinitingnan nyo dun sa
Oo, natingin din ba kayo sa manok? Wala. Ako ganun daw siya
May nakahawatan, yung mga, baka hollow blocks yung inaano nila. Ikaw, Kate, anong tinitingnan mo noon?
Wala po yung sky.
Yung skytops gumaganon siya.
Yeah. Ganun din, di ba mother, when they, yung pinakanta nila sa amin is like, yun nga, kailangan pa daw silang kalbitin para sabihin na nanalo sila. Did that also occur sa inyo?
Parang tinawag din po yung pangalan ko after they called my number. At ikaw yung nanalo. Tapos marami din kasi sa audience na nagsasabi ng number 13, sabi sa akin. And after nung Q&A rin namin po, yung mga fellow candidates ko na girls, and I think meron din yung mga boys doon, sabi na sa akin, ikaw na. Sabi. Pero di ko pa rin po parang ina-accept kasi alam ko naman po na they did their best din.
Lahat magaling.
Opo, lahat sila magaling. Opo.
Makakalok.
Anong demure din ni mother siya.
Siyempre, dinala ko yung mga makeup ko dito na hindi ako na-stress dahil lahat ng mga parkingan. Shoutout sa mga parkingan dyan. Baka naman.
So ngayon, how would you use your title as a benefit para naman sa ibang tao, for others?
Since Mr. and Miss Vegan is parang a great platform for us, not only sabi ko, promote our own advocacy, but also promote the vegan city itself. Especially here in Vegan, pinopromote natin yung culture, yes, and our traditions that will echo from generations to generations.
The fusion of the past
Yes,
and
the
the
future of the
present.
past and the present that bridges us. Okay.
Nice.
Tapos yun, and also for us to be known globally. Pero of course now we are known globally.
International.
Yes, internationally, part of the 7 wonders of the world. And yun, gamit namin yung platform natin by presenting ourselves as parang pinapresent natin yung vegan city itself, not only ourselves na lang, not only as Jelly, not only as Geshem na lang, but also presenting the whole Veganos. Para masabi nila, ay, ganito pa yung mga taga-vegan. Magaganda, magagwapo. They have causes that will help not only the environment, but also for our future.
They embrace their cultural roots, di ba? Sabi nga ni Mr. Ilocos natin, it's also from vegan. Yung vegan city is the fusion of the past and the present. And we would like to be the ones na maipakita yun. That we, the children, alam namin how to present ourselves in the present, still having yung touches natin of of course, technology, modernization, but at the same time, sa food natin, sa pananamit natin, the way that we will talk to people, yung traditions natin, nandun pa rin kahit pa paano. So, yan, si Sir Vigan.
So, ako po, I try to use this platform mainly to be an influencer. Especially to Kabeshi, mga Bigenyo. They look at us at a certain level na, ay, that's a standard of being a Bigenyo. So, being a role model to them, I think is the best thing we can do to our fellow Bigenyos. And then, in terms of our city, we are the ambassadors of Vegan City. It is our duty din na ipagkalat or spread about what is vegan. We are the definition of vegan in flesh.
In flesh.
Parang ganun siya.
We are the embodiment.
Yes. So, we are trying our best naman, I think, with the support of our mayor, with our future projects, incoming na siya. So,
Kaya mo yun, June.
Yeah.
Go.
Yes, especially knowing that you will be representing Vegan City sa Mr. and Miss Ilocos
Next year.
Yeah, next year. So marami tayong naabangan.
Nag-start na ba ang preparation? Mr. Vegan.
Actually, no, pa ako sa boards ko po.
For now.
Yes, for now.
Kasi knowing graduate ka
Yes,
na
po.
mother.
And I will do my best na i-represent ang Vegan City and we should win next year.
May sasabay din siya sa if I'm not, sa pagkuha ng ating pagiging registered nurse.
Yes po, this year in
Sabay-sabay.
Kailan ba ang by anong buwan yung pesta ng Ilocos World?
January. Anyway, pag vegan January, Ilocos or February.
Yes.
Malapit-lapit na rin. Ilang tuyo na rin, ilang bang na rin.
Baka mami
Pagmulat mo, dyan na.
Miss Ilocos Sur.
Bigla ka na, petticoat ko na sa petticoat na hindi hanapin. Tunog na petticoat. Diba? So ano naman, I have a question for both sa inyong dalawa. Eto, tanongin ko. What makes you unique?
what makes me unique, I think, is
Kilig siya eh. Kuya Kevin, paki-zoom in yung facial reaction. Facial expression yung gano'n niya.
So, I think what makes me unique is my mentality. I think mentality is what separates me from different people. Many contestants or different people in my life wants to achieve something, but they don't put the work in, the mind in. So
They don't walk their talk.
They will talk their talk. They won't walk their talk. So I think if you put your mind and body into something, you will achieve that for sure. Then that's what I'm living by. So may different people say, ay, gusto ko maging ganito, pero they don't truly commit themselves. That's what separates me from them.
Kaya niyang tayuan yung stand niya kumbaga.
Iyak na siya, oh.
Natamaan daw kasi siya dun eh.
Dito siya,
Sinabi
iyak
na,
na nga siya dito.
Gusto ko yung ganito pero hindi daw niya ginagawa. Ayan.
May tuloy ng luha dito niya kanina.
Yeah, so our very own
Si Miss Bigan naman. What makes you
Actually, same din, pero more focusedly on...
Hindi na pa yung same.
Competition!
Miss Bigan, yung sayo?
As Miss Bigan, I think my unique personality is having perseverance. Kasi a lot of times, I have doubted myself. Pero with the support of my support system, my friends, my coaches, and I show myself sometimes parang hindi ako to. And sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, I need to fake it until I make it. That's my mentality talaga, yes. Kaya kapag nasa backstage ako, parang kinakabahan ako, parang blanco yung isip ko, pero kapag nasa stage na ako, confident, demure, ako na to, parang gano'n na type. Opo.
Ikaw, mother.
Ikaw, Jenny, bago pumunta sa akin.
Hindi ka ipapasa natin eh.
So, sa likod ng backstage, paano naman si Jenny na demure as a person?
Wala, parang tahimik lang, parang si...
Nagre-retouch.
O, nagre-retouch lang, gumagano lang, na yung susunod. Anong Q&A, paano kaya yun? Gumagano lang po ako doon.
Ikaw ba, mother? What
Ikaw
makes
naman,
you
Jimmy.
unique?
Ikaw.
Ay, hindi. Scatlin na nahin natin. What makes you, yan, what makes you unique? Yan. O, diba,
Bawal
mentality.
gaya eh.
Mentality, perseverance. Si mother yung pagiging unique niya, yung colors niya.
Oh, I'm a rainbow color person. Nakikita niyo sa dulo ng rainbow. May
Ikaw yung gold.
Gold.
Ikaw yung gold.
Pag nagbibigay ng gold.
O, ikaw. Ikaw ba yung nasa dulo ng beanstalk?
Pwede naman. For me, what makes me unique is my actually mentality din eh. But sige, let's
Ay, hindi
just
pwede.
say-
Dapat iba. Bawal yung ganyan.
Bawal lang, guys. Hindi pwede yan.
Let's just say my words, actually. I can...
May
Pwede
sarili
kaya
ka
ko
bang
siyang
ano?
ilugar.
Ay,
Hindi, kaya ko
wow.
siyang ilugar. Kapag...
Empathetic.
Yes, I know how to... No, I really can't read it, but I can observe some people's actions. So parang...
You know how to
alam-
read
yeah.
the room, ganon.
Kaya alam ko kung how... Kaya I know how to handle those things if that word would really gonna hurt that person or not. So I wouldn't... talaga.
Empathy.
Yes.
Ikaw, mother.
Ikaw.
Ikaw, Jamin. Kung ikaw nagtatanong dapat ikaw muna.
Okay, what makes me unique? I think what makes me unique is my resilience. We have to admit that sometimes our breaking points are the reasons kung bakit parang gusto na natin mag-give up or not to continue something that we have dreamed for such a long time or even working hard for such a long time. But despite the fact that I've been through so much storms, and not just actually storms, but every calamity, tornado, earthquakes, I am still able to just be there, stand there, and even if the clouds sa likod ko, papaulan na yan, and the sky is gray, I would be that source of light with my resiliency to continue something and to make something para sa akin, kahit na iniisip ko, hindi yun para sa akin. Kaya nga, di ba, fake it until you make it. But ako, gagawin ko is that until hindi sa akin yun, hindi ako titigil because what belongs to me is something that I would want to work hard.
So, Miss Bigan, anong plans mo? Anong plans mo ngayon, Miss Bigan? Kung may makabesyo yung oras natin, mga kabe. Miss Bigan, anong plans mo ngayon?
Sana ko ba sa kanyang corona?
Imo-mold ko yan later. Lalagyan ko yung tatapyasin ko yung mga dama tatapyas sa kanya. Ay, ikaw, anong plans mo ngayon, Miss
Ano talaga nagdito? Parang,
Siyempre,
Miss
ikaw
Bigan,
naman.
anong plan mo ngayon, guys?
Alam mo, sisigawan ko nasa tabi ko.
Kay Miss Bigan, may ba, anong plans mo ngayon? That's ikaw naman. Anong plans mo ngayon?
Ano na sabihin niyo? Ikaw ko rin.
Ikaw, tol. Anong plano mo? Demure tayo dito.
So, saan ba tayo pupunta mamaya mag-gano'n?
So, anong plans mo ngayon? Okay, may tatanong na naman sa akin si Jimmy. Anong plans mo?
Mamaya po,
Oh,
meron
hindi ngayon ay, mamaya ba? Hindi yung plans mo in the future, gano'n. Anong plans mo ngayon as of now? Ano yung saan ka patungo? Sa langit ba?
Hopefully. Plans ko po ngayon is, yun po, I really want to pass the board exam and get that license and get that 2 letters after my name, which is RN. Before I join Miss Ilocos next year. That's my
Si
plan.
Jimin, meron na nga pangalan dyan.
Ano pa nga? Ano nasa dulo?
Kabeshi Jimin, tapos yung cool name niya. Mamaya na, Caitlyn. Bisaya Bandong. Mas
Si
Bisaya
Mr.
siya.
Bigan, what are the plans
I
naman?
think my plans currently is focus on my studies more. I have to bawi sa because I've missed some classes.
Yeah, knowing
Yeah.
education first.
Focus sa studies and then make the most of it. Especially sa
Yeah.
especially sa
I agree.
preparation. Preparing
True.
for Mr. Ilocos kasi the pressure is to me given that Kuya Gab won. So, sinasabi nila sa akin,
Everyone
"Oy, ikaw
wants
na."
back to back.
Yeah.
Ganon, syempre.
Oh, ikaw din ah. Ganun din siya. So, I have to live up from that
And
expectation.
knowing the fact that eduk students talaga and nursing students, kapag usapang subjects yan, talagang madalag. And third year, as they say, third
About
year
third
is a hard port kapag eduk na. So
Buti
yan.
ng HR naman ako. Pero hirap din yung sa amin.
Oo, luto-luto, mother.
Hindi naman, kala sa HR kasi hindi
I
kami
remember si
nakafocus
si
sa
Jamie nagre-reklamo, yung iba't ibang luto daw ng egg.
boiled egg.
Hard, soft.
May runny, meron
Ay, runny.
runny.
Paano yung runny na Demir?
Baka ba, tol.
So, ikaw
mga
naman.
Caitlyn.
So,
Wait lang, basahin mo ngayon ng Demir.
sa anong sports ka nahuhuman?
Well, badminton.
Ayun.
Pero hindi po ako part of the varsity. Pero I really want na mag-badminton po. Yes, maglaro.
Oo, si Johnston. Ay, ikaw naman. Ikaw naman, Mr. Vegan.
I have a lot of sports.
Yan.
I'm a sporty guy, like I said kanina. I play basketball, badminton, I swim, I run, I jump, I high jump, long jump.
I run, I jump, I walk.
I fly.
Early in my childhood years, kasi I've been playing these different sports, that's why I live by them today.
Squaw ka? Ay, squaw pa.
No.
Squaw ka.
So, part ka ba ng varsity?
No.
Pero naglalaro ka.
Yeah.
Mahilig ka lang.
Ikaw pa, Mother, what's your sport?
Sapakan.
Ay,
Elementary kami, gaganon-ganunan kami noon. No? Ayaw mo kung bigyan niya. Ganun.
Hindi, pero ang uso noon, di ba, is ano tawag doon? Pogs.
Yeah.
Yung parang
Yung
minyan.
pogs din.
Oo.
Hindi sa amin,
Tapos
hindi sa amin,
Pokemon
hindi
yung
po
design
sa amin
niya.
tawag, ano yung, ang tawag yung rectangle ba yung tawag?
Text.
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 Oh. Ginaganon-ganon pa namin. Gaganon-ganon kami noon.
So, paano ba yung Mother?
O ganun, pag pinalipad ko to,
Oh, tapos?
diretso sa'yo. Oh, katulad yung pagmamahal niya sa
Text!
Ikaw naman Katlyn, ito dahil ikaw, kaya mo yan.
So, if you don't mind, what's your secret talent?
Parang lahat naman ata, alam na yung talents ko.
Yung hindi pa namin alam.
Hindi ko rin, baka secret din mo para sa sarili ko, hindi ko rin alam.
Kumain ng rabbit na buhay ka.
Highest window, no?
Hindi po kasi ako parang very adventurous kasi parang walang sikreto-sikreto sa akin. Ganun.
Oh, hindi pa tayo kayo, Sir Big.
Hindi yung highest window niya kasi I know, people know, gano'n.
Mr. Big, anong hidden talent?
I think my hidden talent is baka hindi nyo pa parang ine-expect. I love dance.
Oh.
Yeah. Not just like ordinary dance.
Ooh, break dance. Oh,
dance.
yun.
Sample.
So, no.
Wala na bigla siya mag-aerial dito.
hindi nila na-expect sa akin yun na, ay,
Nag-heads.
B-boy ka wala. Oh, yeah. Hindi nila expect na ginagawa mo yan.
Gaganon-ganon.
Paano?
Gaganon-ganon yung paa niya.
Talagang secret talent.
Yeah, so actually I tried some couple of workshop B-boy pero hindi talaga kaya. Hindi ko kaya kasi talaga panlala. Usually panlalaki at mga ano talaga yung mga
Yung balance
B-boy,
talaga
oh.
sa katawan nila. How do you
Nag-head
know?
spin. Kaya nag-head spin nga kami. Tingnan mo yung nangyari sa amin ngayon. Oh.
Parang calisthenics ka.
Uy, parang iba naman yung calisthenics sa ano.
Yung calisthenics din talaga, Mother, kailangan niya ng matatag na balance. Parang ganun din sa head spin.
Yeah.
Parang hindi naman. Wala naman
Body
sa akin.
control.
Oh, body
Body
control.
control.
Hindi ko naharapan. Okay, next question.
Magpaturo ka ng calisthenics kay Vince na sinabing hahabol daw siya hanggang ngayon wala pa.
Yan, ano siya next.
Next, ganun daw.
So,
Ito yung nyo.
Kat,
Tanong mo na lang, may sports ka ba?
Hindi po kasi ako
kumain ng bola. Ganun.
Hindi po ako mahilig sa sport.
So, saan ka mahilig?
Travel po. Yes,
Travel.
travel.
Tapos isang damit lang yung siya gagamitin. Palitan yung gamitin mo sa iba talaga si Kettle.
Ikaw na magtanong, Mother.
So, kapag may free time kayo, ano yung usually na ginagawa niyo?
Knowing na very busy
Yes.
kayo.
Food trips and of travel din. Kasi yun lang parang time na pwede akong mag-unwind, especially pag nasa beach ako.
Gusto ko yung mga food trips na sila.
True.
Pizza, papalaman mo sa burger. Yung maloka ka daw, sa bacon, papalaman mo sa ano.
Ice cream.
Kala ko peanut butter.
Susha.
So, anong lasa ng peanut butter at bacon? Hindi ko ma-imagine.
I mean, sweet and savory.
Mr. Vegan.
If I'm not scrolling my social medias, I'm reading a book. I'm currently finishing 48 Laws of Power.
Ayun, for the 8 lost.
Currently finishing, I'm at
How about the nature of people when or the human nature ata?
I'm actually buying that next. Yeah.
Scroll nga din ako pag ganun. Wait nga lang. Like. Ganun. Glow ka. Bibili ako.
Maganda kasi yung ano
Nature.
ng Mother
Anong tawag pa? Anong
Earth.
title nung ano? Pinakaba.
48 Laws of Power.
48
Lost by Robert Greene.
Pero if you really want to start light lang muna, Mother. Start with like, the courage to be disliked. Yung mga ganong type of books. Or Atomic Habits.
Loratit law na lang. Yung kapanahonan ko noon, wala yung puros ano yung, ano yung mga pocketbook yung mga ginagawa.
Precious Hearts
Oo,
Romance.
Precious.
Marami akong
I have
ganon.
lots of
Ako
collection
din.
noon.
Yeah, I started with that
Oo.
then.
Ikaw naman. Ay, wala na tanong na pala. So, ikaw naman, Caitlyn, ano mga secret hobbies mo?
Secret
Actually,
Secret
yeah,
closet.
Ay, hindi.
secret chat. Kasi yung kwarto ko, when you enter my room, bubungat sa'yo yung malaking bookshelf ko dun. Yes.
Dito pa lang, Jimmy, napapasok pa, biglang bumukas. Walang tao sa loob.
Surprise.
Surprise!
Pero
It's
yeah,
Halloween!
pero ako makinig sa books.
Yes.
So, Jimmy, magtanong ka na.
Ayan. So, 10 years from now, how do you see yourself?
I see myself as a stable and independent woman, and I also see myself having a family, happy family, stable family. Yun lang naman talaga yung mga gusto natin sa buhay, maging stable and to be happy.
With Miss Universe crown.
Oh, malay natin. O, di ba? From
Genuinely! Vegan!
Philippines!
Philippines!
Malay natin sa susunod, Binibining Pilipinas or Miss Universe Vegan
nga.
City can stand alone for ano. Di ba? Yan, si Mr. Vegan.
I see myself at the faculty
Ay.
10 years from now. And as a husband na din.
Ay,
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yun lang po. Yeah.
So, wala na tayo. Husband na eh. Okay, game. So, faculty ka rin. Gaganong ka bigla na. So, ikaw naman, Caitlyn.
Naka-demure seat ako dyan.
Ay, ganun.
Nag-wait ako ng mga patients.
Lahat tayo,
From
mother,
November.
pati ikaw.
Ikaw, pag di ko lang nakita next week na ko.
Ikaw.
Dilipat ka na, dapat ganyan pa rin damit mo next week. Oo.
Dapat naka-demure seat ako. Tapos I'm waiting for the patients who's trusting me about their
Ay,
mental.
yeah.
Ano siya naka-seat, demure seat lang siya.
Oo,
Dumadaan lang.
Ikaw, mother, 10 years from
Ikaw,
now,
10
how do you
10
see
years from
yourself?
now, maybe I have my own business.
Ay, wow!
Di ko
Nag-English na
kaya.
siya, guys.
10 years from, I have a boutique.
Butik.
Butik.
Demure.
Butika del Demure. Ano boutique eh?
Batikwe.
So, magtanong ka na, Kate. Masyadong mahaba na to.
Siyempre, in all your experiences, what is one life lesson you've learned that you think everyone should know?
I think everyone should know that even when you fail, you can still stand up and move forward. Kasi a lot of us has pressures, yung mga doubts din, not only within ourselves, but also from the people around us. Pero it doesn't matter. We should always move forward and be the very best version of ourselves.
You cannot succeed if you do not fail. And if
Yes.
you are afraid of failure, hindi ka din talaga magsasucceed.
Pag nakikita ko yung mga kaluluwa sa mata ko, yung mga false side ko. Ikaw naman yung survey na. Parang, bro, ikaw naman.
I think what's important for many people to understand is that solitude doesn't have to be sad or alone.
Being alone does not really equate to being lonely.
Yes. I think if you're at solitude, if you're alone, you have to change your perspective. Change your perspective to use that time to look deep within yourself. I can do this by myself. I can do things, and that's what really separates people who is emotional and people who are mind thinkers.
Maganda. Like, alone time is really vital. Ikaw ba, may share ka ba one life lesson? Especially at the age of 18, 17.
For me, time manage is really the top tier for me.
Yeah,
Manage your time. Kasi time, totoo yung advice na time is gold talaga.
Time is gold.
Yeah. Hindi mo na may babalik.
Do not complain about losing time, but rather use your time. Don't waste it. Ikaw ba, mother?
Kaya sa mga kabeshi dyan, baka gusto nyo din magkaroon ng time sa kanila.
I think ito na
So,
lang. Yan. Yung share na lang natin ng lesson 1 is, knowing that we live in a world na people are innately judgmental or always have opinions or perspective about us. Alalahanin natin mga kabeshi, your number one enemy is not really someone else but yourself. Yan, yung kaya sarili mo lang. So if you want to improve, if you want to do better, if you want to be productive, if you want to reach a certain goal, kalabanin mo yung sarili mo. Do not push yourself na sobra, but make yourself work.
Makibakbakang ka sa harap ng salamin.
Shadow boxing.
Go. So Mr. and Miss Vegan, being Mr. and Miss Vegan ngayon, kayo ang mga nilook up ng kabataan.
Kaming kabataan.
Oo, yes. So, para sa inyo, what is the most significant issues your generation faces?
I think one of the issues that our generation faces today is yung mga parang discriminations from the older generations. They perceive us as parang vulnerable, pero in reality, we are actually adaptive. Kasi with the technology that we have today, ang bilis natin maka-adapt. And we can use this not only here in the present, of course, for the future then. And we are part of the people who can be innovators and also influencers sa mga fellow youth natin and also to our older generations para din naman we can have unity sa isa't isa. Kasi tayo lang naman magtutulungan ng mga tao and that will help us prosper to the future.
I think something that lacks this generation, I think, is their lack of faith. I think spiritually they're lacking their belief, their faith. I'm a Catholic, and I'm trying to discover myself in spiritual ways, and many these generations, many people today doesn't really value their faith as much as people used to be. Give importance to their faith, and I think that played a big part in how they think and how they behave currently in this day.
Can you give some advice sa kabeshi natin naman na nangangarap na sumali sa pageant?
So mga kabeshi, don't doubt yourself. Even if there are failures that will come to your way, you should always learn to stand up and fight for what's best for you. And in the end, you will not only regret, but also you will achieve a lot of things in life, and I believe in that.
For me naman, I think you should be a student of the game. Listen to your trainers, to your coaches, and don't lose the belief in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, you're already lost. So keep believing in yourself, be a student of the game, and win. So
Believe in yourself and yan, kayang-kaya yan, sumali na. Pero kakayanin kaya ng ating Mr. and Miss Vegan ang susunod nating ipapatry sa kanila dahil ibang type of bakbakan naman na katanungan ng ating ibibigay. Pero, of course, wag muna ngayon. Kaya mga kabeshi, wag munang maglilipat ng channel sapagkat magbabalik pa ang Rise Up Veganyo! And welcome back mga kabeshi! So yan, ready na tayo for another show. Another bakbakan ng mga katanungan. Pero are the seats hot sapagkat ihahatsit muna natin ngayon ang our very own Mr. and Miss Vegan. Yan, so ready na po ba kayo?
I think we are ready.
Ayan.
No choice.
So yan, unahin na natin si Miss Vegan and then next si Mr.
Yes,
Vegan. Ikaw na kay Mr. Vegan mo.
Yes.
Yan, so ako na kay Miss
Huwag ka na
Vegan.
makipaglaban sa akin.
Sa'yo na! Yan.
Go.
If you could keep any animal as a pet, what would you choose?
I would choose a snake.
Anong kakaibang ugali mayroon ka?
Productive. I think.
Ano ang iyong pinaka-the best na alaala noong bata ka?
Nung nadapa ako sa harap ng crush ko.
So ikaw naman, if bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na makausap ang dalawang tao sa past, sino sila at bakit sila?
I think my late grandpa and my both great grandpa from each side of town.
Yeah. So, how would you describe...
Bakit? Bakit?
Bakit daw?
Sa grandpa ko sa father side, I spent little time sa kanya and I wanted to know him more. And sa grandpa ko naman sa mother side, I never met him because he died way before ipanganak ko.
Yeah. So, how would you describe the color yellow to someone who can't see?
Color yellow is hope.
Mr. Vegan, be ready. If ikaw ay isang upuan, sino ang gusto
Gusto mo? Literal na hot seat.
Oo, parang hindi naman nakakatawa itong tanong na ito.
Given that I think I'm strong. I think the people, my friends, my family, and the people around me, I think they can see it.
Dami naman nila.
Shout out!
Dami naman masyadong palaban.
Shout out kay Jamie na ang sagot noon ay ang kanyang future mapapangasawa. Yan.
Shout out sa'yo, Jamie, may kasalanan ko sa akin.
Ayan. Which movie title best describes your life?
Little thing called love.
Wow.
So if you have a chance na mapag-travel sa isang portal, saan mo gustong pumunta sa past o sa future at bakit?
I wanna go to the past. I think it's very interesting to go at 2005, where I was born.
2005.
Tandaan na pala ako.
Yeah. If laughter is the best medicine, what's the second best?
Love.
Love.
Kung binigyan ka ng pagkakataon na maging isang babae ng isang araw lang, ano ang mga una mong gagawin?
Iba yung questions kay Mr. Vegan ko or kay Miss Vegan.
Bibili siya napkin. Di ba nagbulag siya?
If I was given the chance to become a woman, I would try the different things that a woman suffers daily.
Hindi na ginagawa nila. Okay, tol. Okay, go.
Mga ginagawa nila just for me to realize what woman really goes through.
Okay.
Yan.
So, ayan.
So yan, dyan na nagtatapos ang ating hot seat questions. Medyo parang hindi hot seat kay Miss Vegan, no?
Oo, parang pala sa akin.
Okay, tatanungin natin siya isa lang.
Oo.
If ikaw ay isang upuan, sino ang gusto mong umupo sa'yo? Maliban sa pamilya at mga kaibigan.
Siyempre, ang boyfriend ko.
Ay!
Ako naman kay Miss Vegan. Kung kakain ka ng isang halo-halo, anong una mong kakainin at bakit?
Yung ice.
Oo, bakit yung ice?
Kasi gusto kong malamig muna.
Parang kasing cold niya.
Hindi naman.
Hindi ba? Dapat takurin yung una mo. Uminom ka na ng tea para mas mainit yung kumukulo. Ikaw, Jamin, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, ano yun?
If bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon, I will give that pagkakataon to children who would want to study, who would want to have the
Pageant.
chance. Nagkaroon talaga tayo, mother.
Ikaw naman, Sophia.
Sophia na lang!
Kung bibigyan ka ni Lord ng 2 tsinelas, saan mo gagamitin yun at bakit?
Siguro po sa kamay ko.
Ngangat-gatin yung tsinelas, te? Bakit? Ang binigyan ako
O ikaw, mother.
Oo, ano?
May chance ba
Kung
kayo
is-
ng katabi mo?
Ha? Ano yun, tol?
Hindi. Kung ikaw ay isang
Ano?
lamesa,
Kami.
anong mga ulam ang ilalagay sa taas mo?
Taas ko.
Taas ng lamesa!
Parang gusto mo naman ng whole set ba? Buffet ba yung gusto mong sabihin?
So, ano ang ulam? Magbigay ng 3.
Maglalagay ako ng usually pinakbet, bagnet at longganisa.
Bakit?
Syempre, it's our culture.
Again, ulit nga. Sige nga, tingin nga sa camera, then you're out.
It's our culture. Bagnet, pinakbet, and longganisa. Biyahe tayo. O parang nilalaro niyo akong vlog. O so, yan, mag-vlog na ka na, Jimmy.
And so, first and foremost, maraming
Yes,
salamat, Mr. Elis
salamat.
Raven, for gracing our show. Sure na talagang nag-enjoy at saka makikita natin yung admiration.
Yes, ng isang upuan. Oo.
Isang lamesa.
Atin yung isang family set.
So, thank you for gracing our show. Yan. So, palakpakan naman natin sila. Mga kabeg.
Yeah.
Yan, ang galing. The role
Yes.
models. The embodiment of vegan, di ba? Sabi nga, vegan in the flesh. So, ngayon, bibigyan na naman namin kayo ng pagkakataon na i-plug niyo yung mga social media accounts niyo kasi malay natin, baka may gustong magaya dyan ng modeling, di ba? Opportunities. Tingin daw tayo doon, sabi ni Sir Concon.
So you can visit me on Facebook. My name is Jenely Ann Arganyosa Ramos, and in my Instagram account, which is _GNLLYRMS, which is walang vowels sa Jenely Ramos.
You can also follow my Facebook account as well as my Instagram account, which is at I Blame Geshem. Yun lang po.
I blame.
Yes, so,
May mga TikTok ba tayo?
Yeah, TikTok din is the same with my Instagram, I Blame Geshem.
Yun, ang ganda ng mga username. Ikaw, i-plug mo na rin sa'yo.
Okay, my Facebook account is Kathleen Amas and my Instagram is definitely Bini.
Ay, wow, definitely binibini. How about you, mother?
ano yun?
IG. Saan
IG.
saan namin makikita yung mga works mo?
Actually, you can find my works at my TikTok account, Che Ravena Pilapil, and my Instagram, Che Ravena Pilapil. Currently, my Facebook has been hacked and the report, hindi ko alam kasi nagbebenta ako ng mga vintage toys. Hindi ko alam ba, shoutout sa mga nag-report. Nakakaano ko lang pero na-restrict ako sa pag-send ng pictures ng mga mga products. So, see you next year. See you next year, next week. Ganun na lang. Oo.
Yeah. So, ngayon,
Before na mag-move forward tayo. Kaya may kapatid ka bang Amos na
diba? Dito sila nagtanong.
Your brother lalaki?
Yes.
What is name?
What?
Kasi parang familiar, Amos is basta Amos, shoutout sa Amos, sa kapatid mo. Yung singkit din yun eh.
Yeah.
Yan, ang galing naman nila.
May anak na yata yun.
So,
Okay,
shout
go.
out naman tayo ngayon.
Shout out to my College of Nursing family sa UNP, of course my friends, and of course my parents. Shout out sa inyo. I love you all.
Si Boy Fee, huwag kalimutan.
I of course love.
Love.
Shout out to my classmates, Pablo Agosto Gomiran, doon ka naman tol. And my best friend, Skylar Lopez. I'll see you at Holy Week and we'll have a blast.
Holy Week. Happy Holy Week to you.
Wala bang pa-high love dyan si Mr. Vegan? Walang babatiin?
It's complicated.
Ay,
Gusto kong
ganon.
bahay na ayaw magsalita, baka mapaklose tayo di oras dito. So, ayun. So, baka gusto nyo any additional shout-out sa mga kapag-anak natin or what?
Kilala
Wala.
nila ako na to.
Okay.
Yun na lang.
Ikaw naman Mr. Vegan, baka gusto mo.
So my mom who is actually here at Vegan doing a seminar. I'll see you later, ma. And sa mga friends ko din, Ivan, Reese, Eman, I'll see you later and God bless.
Yan. So, since nagpasalamat na rin naman sila at nag-shoutout, ito na rin ang pagkakataon namin na magpasalamat sa City Government of Vegan na pinamumuno ng aming Mayor, Jose Bonito Singson Jr.
Our Vice Mayor Randy Singson.
To the City Council, City Employees, City Heads, sa Vegan Productions, sa SEPO.
To the department heads.
Yan. So,
Yes.
sa aming mga cameraman, editors, producer.
Producers, si Sir
Yan.
Eric, and our cameraman for today, si Sir Congon na Inspire!
Talagang hindi titigilan ni
Yes!
Sir Concon Yun. At yan,
Oh yes, tama
please
yan.
like our YouTube channel as well as our Facebook page, TV Gun Production. And meron din tayo, of course, Rise Up Biganyo. Nang sa ganun is, maging updated naman kayo sa mga ganap natin. Yan. So, wala na bang pahabol na shoutout dyan?
Ay, wala na po.
Ayan, wala na. So, Mother, mauna ka na mag-shoutout.
Shoutout hindi mo kilala ko. Shoutout mo sa ating
Hi,
mga
love,
kaibigan
sabihin mo na.
Hi, love! Pahit ka na, charing ganyan. Shoutout
Ikaw
sa
ka
mga
na.
mga katumbang baso ko dyan. See you later. Mac Maclianes. Name drop na tayo si Joed Solomon, Mac Maclianes, Dendan Divilla, si Paulo Puruganan, si Michelle Tolentino Famarca, and the new upcoming friend. Hindi ko pa kilala masyadong pangalan mo.
Go
Later
get it.
dala. So, I will see you and keep it up.
Ikaw, shout out. Yan, so thank you very much for being with us.
Yes, thank you for accepting and trusting me.
Oo.
Kato namin. Joke lang.
Shout out sa mga research leaders dyan like me na I know stress, kaya niyan guys. Yun lang naman.
Walang high love?
Wala eh.
High love. Dear High Love. Third place, 40,000. Di ba?
Pwede mo naman yung ganon. Guys, my
guys.
IG, again, my IG at Binibini, ganon. Ulitin mo.
My Jesus, Sophia.
Guys, yung IG ko guys, definitely pinipili po. Looking for Ginoo. Ay,
Tita, oh!
Ay,
Bakit ba may kuto ka ba? Bakit gumagano?
Mother Demure yun.
Ay, gumagano-ganon siya. Parang tapos gulat ako doon, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, Jimmy, go.
So, hi to my parents, mama, dada, sa mga kapatid ko, Georgina, Kiel, and Ate Eva. Sa mga classmates ko, beside English 1 to the University of the Northern Philippines as a whole, sa nursing, sa edu, sa lahat na ng colleges, and sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon, mga kabeshi, happy viewing, and thank you very much for supporting us. Yan, so wala na ba tayong pahabol mo?
Wala na tayong pahabol para makauwi na din tayo.
Yan,
Yes,
so mga kabeshi, yan, so once again, our Mr. and Miss Vegan 2025. Balakpakan natin. At para pa sa mas marami pang talento, kagandahan, kagalingan na ating matutunghayan, please wag na wag lang po kayong lilipat sa kahit ano pang channel dahil nandito lamang yan sa Rise Up Bigenyo! Bye!